Whether you formulate monetary policy or make investment decisions, what you look for are tools that mitigate uncertainty. One way to achieve that, which has seen a growing momentum in recent years, has been to describe how macroeconomic and financial conditions actually evolve in real time. We call that nowcasting. Economists in both public and private sectors have been developing nowcasting models to arrive at timely assessments of important indicators such as the gross domestic product, inflation, or industrial production. These models can leverage information from potentially noisy, higher frequency data releases to estimate current values of indicators that are published infrequently and with delay. In our most recent research paper, we developed a nowcasting framework for Brazil, Russia, India, and South Africa. We leverage Ravenpack Edge analytics and its sentiment scoring capabilities based on real-time news to produce macroeconomic sentiment indicators that can capture the prevailing macroeconomic narratives using a dynamic factor model. And here's what we found. First, out-of-sample forecasting error improves by 5% to 25%, depending on the country and the prediction period. Second, prediction accuracy is significantly enhanced during periods with a sparsity of core macroeconomic releases. Third, aggregating news analytics over relatively short time horizons of 30 and 90 days provides an optimal assessment of the prevailing macroeconomic situation in a timely fashion. Like any model, we need benchmarks to test it, so we use two of them. First, a univariate autoregressive linear model, and then a nowcasting dynamic factor model based only on macroeconomic indicators. So what did we find? The results indicate that the largest improvements are obtained during the forecast next quarter prediction and the nowcast the current quarter prediction, while the backcast improvements are marginal, that is when focusing on the past quarter prediction until the day before the release. This all makes sense. Uncertainty reduces a few days before the GDP release, so the news sentiment narrative becomes less impactful. It also means that the more you have to wait for economic indicators, the more beneficial the Ravenpack model can be. Take emerging economies, for instance. They tend to provide fewer macroeconomic variables, and those are typically published with substantial lags. In the meantime, sentiment scores derived from news flow are more likely to improve the accuracy and timeliness of nowcasts. To find out more about how we construct our macroeconomic sentiment indicators and all the results of our model, download our white paper.